So are you guys facing the problem where your Cash App keeps on crashing? You just open a Cash App and it just crashes. And it says Cash App not responding, wait or report. So for facing the problem, then you guys are at the right video. Because by the end of this video, your problem of Cash App being crashing, or your Cash App crashing will be fixed. The only thing you got to do is watch this video until the end, because if you leave the video in half, then you guys are going to be confused. And you guys might be wondering why your problem did not get fixed. Alright, so stay with us until the end of this video. And before moving forward, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech World, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comments. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. So the first step is make sure your internet connection is fast. Because sometimes due to slow internet connection, your Cash App keeps on crashing because Cash can't connect to that server due to the slow internet connection. If that's the case, use your data connection because sometimes data is faster than internet. I mean, not sometimes, most of the time data is faster than internet. But if you're living in a country where like your internet is like godlike speed, then yeah, that might be a different case, right? And in the other case, you got to keep on updating your Cash App. Cash App releases a new update every single month. So until and unless you upgrade your Cash App every single month, or like let's say you forget to update your Cash App for a long period of time, then it could be the problem due to your cash or being out of date. It's not opening up all right. And the other thing could be if you guys have been banned from Cash, if that's the case, your Cash App is not going to open up, right? And the other case could be if you're in a country where Cash App is banned. The Cash App is only available in UK, Canada, USA. So if you're outside those countries, then the only way to access Cash App is by using a VPN. And even after using a VPN, if your Cash App still doesn't open up, the only thing you can do is hold on a Cash App icon. Go on App Info, go on Storage, go on Clear Data, click on OK. And a Cash App's data will be cleared and it should be done. So that's how we guys can fix our Cash App crashing. So if you guys found the video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.